Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on our last video of I-10 East in Texas. We begin at mile 852 in the city of Beaumont in Jefferson County. We're on a concurrency of I-10, US 69, US 96, and US 287, which will end soon. Here I-10 is heading due north for a short distance and then will turn east again. The multiplex with the U.S. highways ends here and we turn east. We leave the Beaumont city limits at the Neches River and US 90 joins us again. We then enter Orange County, which is the easternmost county in Texas along I-10. Orange County was formed in 1852 from portions of Jefferson County. It was named after the common citrus fruit grown by the early settlers of this county near the mouth of the Sabine River. During World War II, Orange County was the home of a large amount of shipbuilding for the navies of the United States and allied countries. The major shipbuilder, the Consolidated Steel Corporation, was located in the town of Orange. Orange County has an estimated population of 84,964 as of 2016. We enter Rose City, which has an estimated population of 523 as of 2016. In 1950, an oil field called Rose Hill was discovered just south of the town plot, which yielded large quantities of crude oil and gas. The oil field, along with sand and gravel pits, would provide revenue for the area. In 1973, the town's voters elected to incorporate. We leave Rose City and enter the city of Vidor. The town is mainly a bedroom community for the nearby refining complexes in Beaumont and Port Arthur and is part of the Beaumont-Port Arthur Metropolitan Statistical Area. The population was estimated at 10,854 in 2017. We reach the city of Orange, the county seat of Orange County. Orange has an estimated population of 19,418 as of 2016. This community was originally called Green's Bluff after a man named Resin Green, a Sabine River boatsman who arrived at this location sometime before 1830. A short time later, in 1840, the town was renamed Madison in honor of President James Madison. To resolve the frequent post office confusion with another Texas community called Madisonville, the town was renamed Orange in 1858. The area experienced rapid growth in the late 19th century due to 17 sawmills within the city limits, making Orange the center of the Texas lumber industry. Orange's growth led to the arrival of many immigrants in the late 19th century, including a moderately sized Jewish population by 1896. In 1898, the county built a courthouse in the city, which later burned down. It was replaced by the Orange County Courthouse. The harbor leading into the port of Orange was dredged in 1914 to accommodate large ships. Shipbuilding during World War I contributed to the growth in population and economy. The Great Depression, not surprisingly, affected the city negatively, and it was not until World War II that the local economy was boosted again. A U.S. naval station was installed and additional housing was provided for thousands of defense workers and servicemen and their families. After World War II, the local chemical plants expanded, which boosted the economy. The chemical industry continues today as a leading source of revenue to the area. The U.S. Naval Station was changed to a reserve base in December of 1975 and decommissioned completely in September of 2008. Orange was heavily damaged by Hurricane Ike on September 13, 2008. Damage was widespread and severe across Orange County. The 22-foot storm surge breached the city's levees, causing catastrophic flooding and damage throughout the city. The storm surge traveled up the Neches River to also flood Rose City. Orange received winds at hurricane force. Nearly the entire city of 19,000 people was flooded, anywhere from 6 inches to 15 feet. The mayor of the city said that about 375 people of those who stayed behind during the storm began to emerge, some needing food, water, and medical care. Many dead fish littered streets and properties. 3 people were found dead in Orange County on September 29th. Orange once again fell victim to widespread flooding when Hurricane Harvey hit the city on August 29th of 2017. The floodwaters were mostly caused by the rising of the nearby Sabine River and its many tributaries, which forms the border between Texas and Louisiana. The flooding from Harvey was due to extreme rainfall, 50 to 60 inches in 48 hours, that fell after the storm's landfall, leaving 65% of the county underwater. The Sabine River didn't rise until 3 days after the storm, when the floodgates of the Toledo Bend Reservoir were opened. We conclude today's video here as we cross the Sabine River and enter Louisiana at Texas Mile 879.6. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.